Hey guys, pour your favorite liquid therapy, sit back and enjoy the video. In my kitchen, I have cleared out just about everything. So just going to do a little bit of swipe and wipe just to freshen up the kitchen. Those items just stay there. That's just a little towel that I keep, and if you can see, all of the little accessories to my KitchenAid are left down in there, and I know where they're at. And I just put a little white cotton towel there to hide it, but it's decorative. And I think I need a sign above my stove. And up there, I'm gonna leave that little wooden tray with the chicken on it. It's a very farmhouse style in my kitchen. And over here is just another little rooster on the cutting boards, and those stay there. The one in the back, my husband made. The rest was from Hobby Lobby. My butter stays out there. There's a little timer. I do have a timer on my stove, but I really like this one. And the little salt and pepper stays out there. That was from Mud Pie, I believe, from Dillard's. And the little spoon rest was one that I made and painted at the Mad Hatter Pottery. My kids took me there for my birthday, and I believe, let's see, yeah, 2019's got my initials on it, and I made that, and then they glazed it, and I've been using it ever since. And then it looks like, you know, just a little dust gathering in the corner. Just gonna wipe down everything, vacuum up. My floor needs some mopping and just needs some attention. So let's just go ahead and get this done. And as soon as I get this done, we'll do a little bit of decorating. Okay, I forgot to tell you what kind of cleaner. I've got this Clorox cleaner and bleach for my sink. It does really good. Now, sometimes if it gets a little bit too stained, I will plug it, put in a little bit of hot water and soak it with a little bit of liquid bleach just to keep the stains away, and that works wonderful. But I think with what's in there today that this Clorox spray will take care of it. And these vent filters, I just love these to change out on the vents. So as I'm cleaning in each room for spring, I'm changing out these vents. I'll just show you what it looks like, and I'll cut that to size and put a new one in fresh. I like to try to do it twice a year, but yearly is just fine also. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This two-tier tray with the porcelain trays, I just love it. It's got a little chip, and I think I've done that, but as it chips, I'm loving it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put on this yet. And this is my essential oil burner. I got that from Amazon, and I think they still sell those. You can find anything that I say from Amazon.com, you can find it in my storefront if you're looking for something like that. That little wooden tray from Hobby Lobby, I'm gonna leave there. It has the butter dish, some tea towels and a scoop, some little jars there on the right. And then on the top, the canister set, the Old Country brand canister set can be found on Amazon. The cutting boards, the one in the back was thrifted. The one in the front was Hobby Lobby, and the little wooden measuring spoons was from Hobby Lobby. I love the color of those. Creamer was something that I thrifted from Goodwill. So let's continue on. So it doesn't look like I have to do any scrubbing on my stovetop. I try to clean it up after each use, that way I'm not standing scrubbing on it for a long time. I do have some polish for it, but I haven't used it yet. I don't think it's necessary. Not just yet. Okay guys, I have a little wicker tray. This was from Hobby Lobby years ago. I don't think that they're still available. And here's the candle. I have a little galvanized bucket with some lamb's ear and just a little bunny. Moving on around the kitchen, I am hoping to pick up some little daisies. I ordered some from Amazon. I wasn't happy with them. I sent them back. I'm hoping to have some little daisies in this vase. So I just change it out for the season. And this Farm Fresh vase setting here, I would love to have some fresh cut flowers in for spring. This little spot over here by the coffee maker. Not much that I'm gonna do there, just straighten some things up. And then I'll go ahead and we'll move over to this section.
Life comes in all forms and shapes. Look, you will see them all. Taste both the sweet and the bitter grapes. So when the rain does fall, don't lose heart. Love will prevail. Don't lose heart.
Okay, I needed something to go in this little area here. And I have this little buffalo check plate. And I'm just gonna put that down in there just to give it a little more color. And this was something that the little eggs was from Hobby Lobby. I have a little bit of raffia, and I stenciled the Farm Fresh eggs on these. I got these from Amazon.com. And I'm just going to set those in there. I don't have a whole lot to go on here, but I do have a couple of things. If you remember in my last haul, I had found this little wire basket.
It's the reason that I love you. It's the reason that I care. Why there is no one above you. Why no one else can take me there.
Those little eggs was something that I did a DIY, and so are the little chickens made out of fabric. I believe I have a video. I'll link it down in the description box. If it's something that you want to see, you can go watch that. They were so easy and simple to make, and they're just so adorable. And I thought I would just bring them out as a refresh for spring in my kitchen. Okay guys, as simple as it may be, Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you being here. And I hope that you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye.